This is Shawn Lam for Streaming Media Producer, and this is a sponsored tutorial for VideoGuys.com of the Roland V-60HD video switcher. In our last video, we did an overview of the functionality and the features of this powerful video switcher. In this video, I'm going to take a look at the smart tally system as well as the auto mixing feature on the audio side. The first feature I'm going to review is the smart tally feature. The smart tally feature allows you to communicate with your camera operators, especially in loud environments. Instead of just using intercom to let your camera operators know when they're live, in a lot of loud environments, a visual signal is actually more effective. And that's where the smart tally system comes into play. You would set up your local area network and connect up a Wi-Fi router like I have over here with the video switcher. And then each camera operator would have their own mobile device that they log into the Wi-Fi on this Wi-Fi router here. And so I've done this on this cell phone here. And if I go to input number 3 or channel 3, we can see that it's gray because right now 3 is not on the preview or the program bus here. If I take 3 on the preview bus, this turns green instantly. So this lets the camera operator know that if they're camera operator 3, they're on standby, they're going next. And once they go live, I'm going to cut to 3, it goes red. So a very effective system of communicating with your camera operators, especially in noisy environments, and it complements the use of intercoms for this camera communication. The second advanced feature that I want to look at is the auto mixing feature on the Roland V-60HD. So what this is it's a feature that allows you to connect multiple audio inputs onto the switcher, and based on the weighting, the priority levels that you have set, the video switcher will automatically balance those levels, decide which ones are to be louder and which ones are to be quieter. So let's do a quick demonstration. So I'm going to turn on the auto mixing. I'm going to play some music in the background, and then I will speak over it, and you'll hear what happens when I speak over the music. The music has been set to a 5% weighting, a very low weighting, and I've set myself to 50%. So the moment that I start speaking, you can hear that that music has ducked underneath my vocal levels, and as soon as I pause, it comes back. Now that I've paused the music, let me add in another audio input. So my weighting is at 50%. If I have audio input number 1, my producer Rob, set to 100%, let's have him start speaking over me, and you'll hear his voice will dominate mine.
Shawn, if we could get you to adjust the microphone, that'd be really good.
Oh, come on, Rob. Why is your voice always louder than mine on these takes here?
Because I'm bossy.
Oh, come on. All right, so there you go. So that's how this auto mixing feature works. So I'm going to turn Rob off and turn off the auto mixing. The auto mixing and the smart tally features on the Roland V-60HD are two very advanced features that basically allow you to do a lot more and handle larger productions without adding extra gear. Thanks for watching.
VideoGuys.com is your source for streaming media and live production equipment, storage, and video editing hardware and software. We have specialized in video editing and production for more than 25 years. And our technicians are available to answer your questions and help you find the best solution for your needs and budget.